a new option that has become available here in Command, and it is all about developing a custom emailable newsletter. So to do this, we're going to come over to Campaigns, click on Campaigns, and we are going to create a new campaign, and we're going to do an email. Go ahead, give everything its name here, and select the account that it's coming from. Who do you want to send this to? So there's a couple different ways of setting this up. You can actually add to the list from here. You can look up the list name if you've already created a list out there. You can also, and then just coming in here and the default subject, and I'm going to just say newsletter, who it's from, default name from, and add a contact. So if you have an individual that you want to actually add and put on this email list, you can actually do it from here. You can also choose tags. Now it's best if you actually go out and build a list, which that'll be on another video, and then tell them how they signed up to be on your list. We're going to go ahead and hit Save List. Okay, so now I can come down here, I can hit any of my, if I have a list or if I want to add a list, who the sender is, where the replies will go to, and what is this going to be called? I'm going to say Newsletter 2020. Okay, and then the content. So now I'm going to go over here and apply a design. And this is where it takes me to two different types of KWRI newsletter styles. So you have the first style here, and you have the second style here. The only difference that I have been able to see is that style number 2, less content is required. Newsletter number 1, you do have to actually set it up with 4 different sections within it. So first of all, it comes in, it takes us, and this is all pulling information from your marketing profile. So you'll want to make sure your marketing profile is up. And of course it's bringing in your photo, it's bringing in your logo. You can change those out here. You can also crop them from here. So this is where you will actually start to bring in whatever information you want to bring in. So I could bring in a file here if I want to. Maybe I have a logo that I like to bring in. I can definitely do that here. So that, and it cannot be very big. That's the only problem. So, okay, you can see it's wanting to crop everything. You can also come up here and choose different ways that it displays, but I'll leave mine there. So I'm going to go ahead and crop that image. Now, that'll be the top of my newsletter. So you can see you're changing everything on the right, and you're going to see the results over on the left. And then for a headline, just gonna you can see, so anytime I update something over here on the right, it's actually changing it over here on the left. And so I could come over here and start inputting, and then I can start doing, maybe that's my headline, and then you can see how it's just literally changing everything. I can then come in here and start putting my actual article. article would be bigger. And then you can also drop a picture in here. So if you want just a little screenshot of what the actual headline has, you can go and add that, and it'll add it in there. And you'll see. So you would have a picture and your article, and then literally you will be adding this, and you do have to go up to 4 headlines. The footer is going to be all of your information, and then your brokerage license, and then if you have a team logo, you can put that in there. So let's go ahead and hit apply. So like I was saying, it is required that you do all 4 of these headlines for it to be able to save. So let me just come over here and show you one that I have recently done. And this is one that I just recently did and sent out. And so you can tell that it's in readable view, more made for mobile than it is website, but it looks okay on a website too. So just wanted to give you an update that option is out there, and I will be putting the how to build an email list together in another video. So watch for it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.